Alright guys, so it looks like the USB came in, the USB conversion came in. I got this thing off Etsy. I'll put the link in the description for you guys if you guys want to pick this up and put this in your SC, but looks like it just pops right in, and we'll install this and get it going. Alright, so one thing, we just got to take this out. Okay, this little piece. If I'm not mistaken, it looks like it goes in this way. Okay, so get that. Alright, just gotta line up this bottom and push it in and wiggle it in there. Snap it in. Okay, try to get it as flush as possible. You can tell the lady who owned this SC before, she smoked a lot, so this plastic is a little worn. It's a little warped in some places, so I don't think this thing's gonna fit 100%, but it is what it is. All right, and then from here, you just put this through here. Get that in there. And voila. Looks like we have this installed. Now, I'm just gonna go put it in the car, plug it in. Oh, I already plugged it in to make sure it worked before I did all this, so yep, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get started here. First things first, pop out the cup holder. Usually grab from the inside, pull it straight up, comes right out. If you guys can see that real quick. So screws go in there. These little pinholes line up to get it on. Now we're just gonna screw it in. Should be good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are installed. How does she look? All right, let's get it all buttoned up. Voila. Boom. Now we got a USB. Let's go ahead and give it a test. Well, since I'm recording from my phone, I guess we're gonna be plugging in. Maybe you can just hear the chime. All right, now that we're all installed, just want to show you guys that it works. Instantly charging. All right, let's go.